I'm John Collins. This is Legal Files. Today we're joined by noted Bay Area defense attorney David J. Cohen from Bay Area Criminal Lawyers. And David, walk me through the stages of a typical criminal case. What happens?
Okay, well, I'm going to talk about, at least in this segment, the stages of a state criminal case.
State, okay.
At the beginning of a state criminal case, and there could be a federal criminal case, we can talk about that on another occasion, but a state criminal case, there's either a summons where you're required to come into court, you can get that in the mail, or it can be served on you by the sheriff, or there's an arrest. After that, at the first hearing, there's a plea, usually a not guilty plea. Bail is set. Bail can be reduced. After that, there's the preliminary hearing. That's where the court decides whether there's enough evidence to take the case to trial. If the case moves beyond the preliminary hearing stage, there's another arraignment on the formal charges in the Superior Court. There's pretrial motions, there's trial motions, the trial, and then after the trial, if necessary, a sentencing hearing.
Now, this sounds complex to the layperson. At what point should a person engage an attorney for this?
Immediately. In fact, it's even if you know that you're being investigated, but if get a lawyer. But if you're arrested or you get a summons, do it immediately. Don't talk to anybody else that's not an expert. Get a lawyer and figure out what the right thing is to do.
What's the adage about representing yourself?
The person who represents himself is a fool for a client.
There you go. Don't be a fool. Don't have a fool for a client. Give Bay Area Criminal Lawyers a call at 415-398-3900 or on the web at www.bayareacrimlaw.com. A consultation is always free. They're always happy to talk to you about whatever the case may be, and we're always happy to talk to you, David. I always learn so much when you come in. Thanks.
Thank you, John.
And we'll see you next time on Legal Files. This segment is sponsored by Bay Area Criminal Lawyers.